Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are planning to launch an online store this year, you have probably wondering how much does Shopify really cost. In this video, I will break down Shopify pricing plans for 2025, what you are actually get for your money and which plan makes sense whether you are a beginner, a growing seller or ready to scale up. So without any further ado, let's jump into it. So first of all, let's go and talk about the Shopify plan. So let's go to the incognito window to get the show the real preview of our products like the Shopify one. So here I will click to the pricing and here actually you can see the main one. So let's talk about the basic plan. Shopify is an all-in-one e-commerce platform. You pay a monthly fee to build your store, manage product, accept payments, and track orders. Unlike free DIY tools, Shopify handle hosting, security, and updates for you, so you can focus on selling easily. Now let's talk about the main pricing tiers. Shopify main plans in 2025 are this. Like if you pay monthly, then you will get this kind of interface like basic plan perfect for beginners, and it starts from $25 per month. But if you pay yearly, then you will save 25% and you just need to pay as a basic plan $19 as a growth this one. So basic is literally perfect for beginners who just want to launch first. You get a full online store, unlimited products, 24/7 support, and even basic rewards and the ability to sell on social channels like Facebook and Instagram. Here you can see it. Then if you see like here the Grow plan, like this is the Shopify plan, it starts from $65 per month. If you pay early, then it will cost only $49. So here let's go and let's check out our full list of features. Just click over here and here you can see it. So this is the standard plan for growing sellers. You can get everything in basic plus professional reports, better shipping, discounts, and slightly lower credit card fees. Here you can see it that all are available, and you can see transaction fee will be 1%, whereas the basic plan charges 2%. It's really amazing to purchase this Grow plan for you. So next we are going to talk about the advanced plan. Like it charges around 399 USD if you pay monthly, and also charge $299 if you charge yearly. So you already save $100 per month. So it is designed for scale ups and large businesses. It will give you full features, then it will give you additional stuff account like 15. So it is designed for scale up and large business. This plan is include advanced reporting, custom pricing by market, better international selling tools, and the lowest transaction fee. Shopify also offers store and retail POS plans, but today we are focusing on the main online store tiers. Now let's talk about the additional cost to know. Your monthly fee is not the only cost. There is a transaction fee if you use Shopify payments. Like here, if you use the Shopify payments, then you just need to be like, there's a standard credit card processing fee around 2.9% or 2% around on the basic plan. Higher plans have slightly lower rates. Then apps and themes like Shopify apps store has, like here, let's go to the Shopify theme, just click to the online store and then get to the theme, and here actually we are allowed to see the theme. So just click to the visit theme store and here you will get to see your free theme and paid theme. Just click over here paid theme, and here you can see the paid theme is literally 320 USD, 400 USD, whatever. So here you just need to be pay extra for apps like email marketing also. Then you just need to be pay, like Shopify App Store has tons of free and paid plugin also. Then many stores around 20 to 100 month extra for apps like email marketing, upsells, or reviews. Then themes, premium themes can cost a one-time fee like around $13 to $400 if you want something more custom. Then domain name, this is the main one. Shopify lets you buy a domain through them, usually about $14 per year, or connect your own. Then what do you really need? So which plan makes sense for you? If you are a brand new store, start with basic Shopify. It is more than enough to test products and get your first sales. You can always upgrade later. If you are doing consistent sales, want better shipping at discount, or need more detailed reporting, The Shopify plan is worth it, especially if you are managing a team or multiple sales channels. If you are selling internationally, have a large catalog, or want more control over custom pricing and reports, advanced Shopify pay off once you hit higher volume. The best part, you can switch plans anytime, start small, grow big. Now let's talk about the final tip and final trial. So here you can see I am on a trial version. You can see it when I will visit here. 3 days left in your trial. So here is a tip that Shopify often runs $1 a month for 3 months deals for new store. Use that to test your store with 0 risks. Here you can see it. Just click to the setting and then go to the plan. And here, if I choose the plan, here actually you can see that we only charge $1 month for first 3 months with every plan, like advanced, pro, basic, whatever you use. So you can start with any of them. During the trial, you can play around with your team, add products, and launch your first marketing campaign. This way you are only paying full price when you are ready to actually make sales. And that's the Shopify pricing breakdown for 2025 beginners, sellers, or scale-ups. Which plan are you considering? Let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for more real e-commerce tips. Good luck, and I will see you in the next one.